Hey there, side hustlers. Ready to turn your love for books into some sweet passive income? Well, buckle up, because today I'm showing you how to make money with Audible. First things first, Audible is Amazon's audiobook platform. And guess what? You don't need to be a best-selling author to cash in, you just need a sprinkle of creativity and a touch of hustle. So step 1, find a niche. Are you into science fiction, romance, or self-help? Trust me, there's an audience for everything. Even if your thing is ancient Greek pottery, there's probably a podcast for that too. Step 2, write or source your content. If you're not a writer, no worries. Hire a freelance writer from sites like Fiverr or Upwork. You can also find public domain books that are free to use. Think old classics like Jane Austen or Charles Dickens. Step 3, narrate or hire a narrator. If you've got a golden voice, go ahead and record your audiobook. If not, hire a pro narrator. Remember, a great voice can make or break your audiobook. No offense, Uncle Jerry, but your monotone isn't going to cut it. Step 4, edit your audiobook. Use software like Audacity or GarageBand. Clean up any background noise and make sure it's crystal clear. And please, no barking dogs or crying babies in the background. Step 5, upload to ACX. That's Audible's publishing platform. Set your price, add a catchy cover, and write a killer description. Now sit back and watch the magic happen. Wait, we're not done yet. Step 6, market your audiobook. Share it on social media, tell your friends, maybe even bribe your mom to leave a glowing review. The more exposure, the better. And there you have it, folks. 6 steps to turning your bookish dreams into a passive income reality. So grab that microphone, fire up your imagination, and start earning today. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome side hustle tips. Catch you next time.